Okay, you can see that in your system. Before saving the file, it will be something called as like this. It will be something in a white dot. Okay. After that, once you save it, you will change that to a cross. Can you all see that in your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please repeat it once. Please repeat it once.
Hello world, can you repeat it? What to do?
Nothing. You have to just type the hello world word inside this void tag. That's all. Okay. So what I was saying is that once you type something, you will all have something called as white dots here. Okay. Without if you are looking something from here, there will be a white dot near to this name. Okay. Once you hit Control button and S in your keyboard, that will change into a cross button. Okay. Cross icon. That's what I'm explaining. Okay. So, any issues? Any doubts?
No, sir. No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then let us try to open the HTML file. Okay. So, what you have to do is that let me minimize the screen. Go to that particular folder where you have stored your HTML file. Okay. Go to the particular folder. I will go to this one. Yeah, here I have stored my index.html. So everyone just come to this HTML file. Go and click on that particular file. Right click it. There will be an option called as open with. Anyone stuck at this point? Or everyone who have reached this, just say yes.
Yeah, we can move forward.
Sir, please
Yes, sir.
repeat it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for the people who doesn't follow this, landed in the page where you have stored your HTML file, click the particular file, right click it, you will get an option called as open with, share, everything. Okay, just click an option called as open with and choose any of the browser what you use. I'm using Brave. I will get something like this. So the people who are getting something like this, congratulations,
We got
you guys. Your
We got
first
it, sir.
layer.
Yes, got it.
Got it, yeah.
Congrats, guys. You completed
Yeah,
your
got it, sir.
Okay. So yeah. So once you all have got to this page, I was explaining something about head tags, right? We have written something in body tag, so we are getting something in here. Okay. But in head tag, we will write something called as titles, styles, and everything. Okay. So we will include the informations like titles, styles, and what again, scripts, everything, etc. Okay. These are all the information that will be given to the browser from the users. Okay. So let us try to say how to use these things. I can say these two things in the next class. Okay. I will try to include something called as titles in this class. Okay. So here we can say something as our file having something as index.html. Okay. But other browsers, when we search something in internet, they are giving a specific name here. Here it is showing Excalibur, here it is showing something as Meet and that particular link, right? This particular link. So these are all dynamic in nature, right? So how the particular browser is actually recognizing that and writing that. So the developer who are developing the website, they are mainly giving this value to this code, right? So how can we change this index.html name? Any idea?
They're mentioning the head.
The title in
I
head.
need to mention the title. Mention something in the head tag, like the body.
In the head tag so that it can be seen. Okay. So what you have to do is that just come in between of the heads, click and enter. You will get something like this. Okay. Once you have reached till this point, type a word that is title. Okay. You will get something like this, some prompt. So everyone getting like this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
okay, so I hope everyone have got this one. So can I move further, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so once you are getting something like this, click that particular, not click that, just click enter. Okay, once you click enter, you will get the tag something like this. Okay, this title. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everyone
Sir.
getting something like this?
Yes, sir, we got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we got it, sir. Yes, sir, we got it.
Yes, sir.
So now what you have to do is that
Yes, sir. Got it.
you have to write something, any name. So since this is my first HTML for you guys also, we will just type something as my first HTML page. Okay, something like this. Once you have written something like this, just click Control and S, that is save the file. Come to the windows where it is showing, that is browser where it is showing. Just refresh the page. You can see your name will be changed from index.html to my first HTML page. Are you guys getting something like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So can anyone say something now? What is the use of this title? Anyone?
So it gives the name.
Like giving the idea about your body content.
We can name. We can give a name of our website as well. Like
Okay.
To view our web page, the site which we have created, to view that, we use the name so that we get that browser. So sorry, whatever the information which is in that page.
Okay. So it is nothing but we were giving some information to the browser so the browser can understand this particular page is nothing but the particular keyword what you are mentioning there. Okay. That's all. So yeah. So I hope you all have got some idea about what is the head tag and what is the body tag. Okay. And many people who are trying to create some new HTML file don't try to put this body tag inside the head tag. Okay. The head should be different and the body should be different. It is like you are putting your complete body inside your skull. Something like that. Okay. You should not look something like this. This is nothing but your head or your skull, and this will be your rest of your body. So these two will be attached using this HTML, but it should not be inside of any other. Okay. So are you guys getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Okay, then let us move to the different tags that are mainly used and like just normal common tags. Okay. So yeah. So there are 6 tags that are mainly commonly used in the HTML. Okay. As of now, we'll try to implement that more in many tags in future classes. Okay. So now today we will try to see something called as heading tags, paragraph tags, and image tags. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
sure, sir.
So nothing. So this H1 tag is nothing but the tag where we will give something, we will specify the word, a particular word, so that will be considered as a heading. It's called as heading tag. That is H1 tags. Okay. So heading tags are nothing but if you like to give something as a heading inside the HTML, you will give it to the tags called as H with the number with it. Okay. So there are 6 heading tags. That is, if I give something H1, if I write something hello world here, okay, and I'm giving something like this, Once I save it, I will come to my code. Okay, I will refresh it. See, this is very big, right? With the bold letters. So this is called as the heading tag, that is H1 tag. And